Alright, I'm just going to highlight some features really quickly, just in case anything's confusing. So, first off, the default format for inputting the time here is here. So, you have hours, minutes. So I'll just put in hour and 30 right now. As you can see, hour 30, hour and 30. If I hit this check mark, it's going to be wrong. So when you're writing it in this format, leave this unchecked. If you want to use like decimal format, I'll show you what that looks like. You're going to change this to 1.5, and then you need to hit this checkbox for this time to show up properly. So as you can see, 1.5, 1.5. Alright. Next off, actually I'll change that back. Next off, I'm going to explain this portion right here. So right now we're calculating our electrical cost based off of our cost per kilowatt hour. Yeah, if you don't want to use this, you can use this part right here. So this just says use this section to set a fixed electrical rate for your choice. Example 0.35 or 0.31 per hour. To do that, just hit the checkbox, and as you can see, it'll update, or it'll start using this value. I'll change this to an hour, so that makes a little bit more sense. So yeah, you're using this value instead of this value. So yeah, next we have the material efficiency buffer. Currently it's set at 1.1, which is equivalent to an extra 10% on the material. If you don't want to do that, you can just change that to 1, so it'll use exactly what you wrote, and it's not going to add that buffer. So leave that how you will. I'm going to leave it at 10%. You guys can do whatever you want, and yeah. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. I'll make sure to get back to you, and yeah, have a good one.